We got skookum blend. Can't say that. Muck coffee. Shut up and drink the coffee. Made in Alaska. Whether it's part of a war party or a barbecue, it calls for a fresh pot of skookum blend. Or why bother? Spicy picante. This is like torture. And it's endocrine disruptor free. Yeah. Whatever. Not even. Like I've developed a few deck leaks. Winter is hard on a boat. Ice, you know, water gets into areas, then it freezes, expands, you know, and that cycle just busts any cracks open. So I'm pretty sure it's coming from probably these screws on this windshield. Scrubby-dubby on these sheets here. We're healing a bit here. I don't hear no weird creaking going on. Everything looks pretty solid up there. Got a good 10 knots wind. Trying to sail. Hauling ass. A lot of people want to introduce tangled up down there, but yeah, a lot of people want to add a twist and make these all pretty. I'll do that. Let it lay naturally. This rope's pretty old. The newer rope will form like a figure 8. Yeah, what I like to do. Like that. Yeah, now it hangs nice out the way, and it'll flake out nice when I need it.